Our topic for today is about preposition. Ano ba yung preposition? Preposition is a word before a noun or pronoun that shows direction, time, location, and place. Katulad ng in, on, at. These are prepositions of time. Paano ba sila gagamitin ng tama? Ganito yon. Ang in shows the longer time. Example, in summer, I will accept tutorial lessons. I hope in 2025, I could still be here to assist everyone. Nagets? On na naman tayo. Ang on shows dates. Days of the week and special days. Example, I will call you on Monday and see you on Tuesday. Be sure to come on Christmas Day. Okay, nagets? At na naman tayo. Ang at is used with time of the day. Example, at midnight, at 12 o'clock, at noon, at night. Okay? Let us meet at sunset. On this day, on that day, I won't forget the lesson we learned in time. In graying years, I will reminisce them all with a smile. Thank you.